Darling, did you know Oliver's took one for her cats? Yeah? No, somebody had already opened it.
I just don't know which one to go for. There's a few in that corner.
Good girl. That's funny.
It's like that one, this one. Ooh, that one's coming on.
How fast was she last night though when we
She was
first gave
literally
them
like,
off?
I'm having that one.